What's up, my friends? What's up? How you guys doing today? Whoa, I cut some profit today, although I was distracted. I got some spikes and I really needed to you know make this profit so I can go out and chill today. So I got distracted along the line and I had to close out immediately, and then I've been with my friend who just showed up since that time. Yeah, I was supposed to actually make this video while I was catching that spike. I'm definitely going to catch another spike before the end of the day, to catch all of the profit that I want to make for the day. And trust me, guys, with this very simple strategy, it makes making money very easy for me. And I'm so proud to be here, trying to impact this knowledge right now. So yep, guys, it's a very easy strategy. And I believe it's nothing that you that no and it's nothing you can't handle. It's nothing you guys can't handle. So yeah, in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to catch multiple spikes. You can catch a lot of spikes using this strategy and make a lot of money from it. I want you to make a lot of money from this strategy, and I want you to come to the comment section and tell me how much profit you made. I'm so happy that you guys, I just started this channel and I can see it's moving fast. I'm so happy to know that I have people who are ready to learn, and since this is coming for free, a lot of people are just opportuned to learn these things from this channel. And trust me, guys, the best you can do is to just subscribe, motivate me to keep bringing more contents to you guys. So subscribe to my channel, please, and like, hit your thumbs up, subscribe, comment, tell me the next video you want to see. I'm sure you've seen the past video that I made, and I'm sure a lot of people have already been benefiting. So yeah, in this very simple strategy, you'll be learning how to catch spikes like a professional, guys. Trust me, this is something that you really will be happy to see today. So yeah, I'll go right into it. But before then, let's see how fast or how effective this has been. Let's see how effective this strategy has been. So yeah, this is boom 1000. So the whole idea is you just allow I'm using Ichimoku for this strategy right now, and it's a very effective indicator for this. So it's as easy as this, guys. It's as easy as this. When price comes to this level, let me get my brush so I can point it out. Price comes to this level, you see a spike. Price comes to this level, you see a spike, to the upside. This is for boom 1000. So yeah, you can see oh, sorry about that. You can see this, you can see it's you can see that price came to the 10th level, and yeah, it came to the 10th level, and then boom, you see how it spiked to the upside. Usually what I do is once it gets to the 50th level, right, once the spike gets to the 50th level, I take my profits. This is where I usually take my profit, right? But then check this out, it went way beyond that level, and it kept spiking to the upside. So this means you could have made a lot of money. If I wasn't distracted, I would have actually made more. But yeah, so let's go back in time and see how it's been working over time. Soon as Ichimoku comes to the 10th level, once it comes to the 10th level, yeah, you see a spike is bound to happen, right? It comes to this level, and comes to this level, and you see a spike to the upside. You see, You see a spike, it happens every single time. You see, this is it, this is it. So you can make a whole lot of money from this. It's very simple. You can see it for yourself. You just allow, you don't rush the market. You just don't rush the market. Just allow it to come to allow it to come to you. Look at it here. It came to this level and boom, spike. You know how much you can make from this. So I'm going to show you guys the settings, how to set up this Ichimoku for it to be this effective, for you to take this spike, to catch the spikes without stress. I'm going to show you towards the end of this video, so stay tuned guys. Just stay tuned, relax, and watch till the end so you can get the settings, guy. You get the settings here. So we keep going back in time. It's very mandatory that you backtest every strategy that you learn. Make sure that it is cool for you. Look at this. We're here again. Another this is it. Another time price came to this level. You've seen this spike. You've seen this spike. It went up all the way to this level. And like I said, to be on the safe side, I take my profits from the 50th level, from this level. You can see it, right? From this level. As soon as price comes to this level, I take my goddamn profit, right? So trust me guys, with this strategy you can make as much as $100, $200, $300 a day, and depending on your targets for a day, you just make your money, relax and chill, bro. Chill, take a profit and chill, man. Take a profit and chill. It's very important that you make this money and spend it wisely though, but then it's very important that you do good stuff for yourself when you make this money. So yeah, keep going. I'll show you how this works for crash 1000 also. So we keep checking for more confirmations, right? Another one here. Look at it guys, look at it. Price came to this level and there was a spike. There was a goddamn spike. Look at it. It boomed to here, down. Look at it guys. Look at this. Tell me if this is hard. Come to my comment section and tell me if it's hard, and I'm still going to explain to you. I'm going to drop my contacts. I'm going to drop my link, Telegram link, in the description of this video, so that you won't have to stress reaching out to me. This is Southside FX, and I am for G. I am trading for Southside FX right now, and I believe with time we are going to have a lot of other people who probably didn't know anything about trading, but we are going to show them how, and we're going to recruit them and put them on our side. And trust me guys, you could be one of those people who is making a lot of profits from trading. So we keep going, we keep looking for confirmations. Yeah, this is it. This is another spike here. This is another spike here. So trust me, this is very easy, man. This is very easy. Let's go over to let's go to crash. So I'll show you how it works too. It's very easy. Yeah, so for crash, you're going to be looking at selling where the market comes to the 90th level. Here, it's going to be a spike. It can't, there is no way it can escape. It happens though, but then you should understand the fact that, trust me guys, I'm not going to hide anything from you. I do I oftentimes combine price action with this. I don't just really depend on indicator alone, although the indicator is very good at detecting spikes and everything, but I like to combine price action to be on the safe side. So I like to get to know the market structure, know how it from the 15-minute time frame. I like to know where the market is heading before I actually make my decision and all of that. So sometimes you tend to see price at your level and then you wait for a spike and it doesn't happen. What do you do at that point? You just allow a little steps down, allow some few candlesticks down, and then you know when to take your loss. Usually I allow not more than 10 candlesticks. before I take my loss. And then trust me, the market is too the market is too big. You can make a lot of profit from other trades, from other times and everything. So you don't have to rush the market. You just have to wait for it to do what you want it to do. So yeah, in crash, like I said, it comes to, you allow it come to the 90th level, and then boom, it spikes. Look at it, you can see for yourself. You can make a lot of money from this. You can make a lot of money from this. You can make a lot of money from this. Trust me. Let's go back and keep checking. Let's keep checking for more of these confirmations. Boom, another one here. My brush is going to show you that price came to the 90th level. Price came to the 90th level, and then we had another crash to the, had another spike to the downside. Yeah. So tell me, guys, isn't this beautiful? This strategy, man, is a killer. It's a killer strategy. It helps you catch these things without stress. I mean, you literally make this money effortlessly, and it just takes for you to understand the step, right? You just get to understand the step. So we keep checking for more. You know, this is it. Price went way beyond this level, right? Went way beyond the 90th level before the spike happened. So imagine you had taken your loss, right? Imagine I had taken your loss before. Sometimes I do give it time. Like I said, I allow at least 10 candlesticks before I choose to take my loss. So yeah, this is it. It spiked. It spiked. This is it. This is a very beautiful spike that would have made a lot of profit for you. You know, you keep going. So yeah, that's it for crash. You know, like I said, you know, quick recap. For boom, you wait for it to get to the 10th level. Yeah, for boom 1000, you allow it to get to the 10th level. The spike is definitely going to happen at that point. If it doesn't happen, you let it be. You go over to the next one. You get. And as for crash, you allow it come. As for crash, you allow it come to the 90th level, right? Like here, allow it come to the 90th level and go a little beyond before you take your before you enter, and then definitely going to catch a spike. Boom, look at it here, right? So yeah, this is it for spike, for boom and crash. Very simple. Like I said, I was going to show you guys how I set this up. I'm going to show you the settings. I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to show you how it works. Yeah, I'm going to show you the settings. So brace up, guys. Get your I usually use two indicators for this. Yeah, use two indicators, relative strength index and Ichimoku, and you're good with these two, guys. So the settings, let's look at it. This is how I set mine. You allow a period at 14, apply to close. This is for relative strength index. Apply to close. Yeah. Your style pixel, leave it like this. And yeah, I like to leave my color bright so I can see it clearly. And for levels, this is it. 10th level, 90th level, 50 level for TP, the 10th level for boom. You can change that description and leave it for buy if you want, but I like to make mine boom. And then this is the 90th level, is for a sell, so you can change that for a sell, but I like to leave mine as crash. And then the 50th level, you can just add it up if you don't have it. That's where I take my profit. You know, to be on the safe side. So I like to just write TPU there. And my pixel, it's cool. You can make any of the pixels your choice. And I usually leave my color bright. You can choose to, depending on your background, you can choose to make the color whatever I want it to be. But I like to leave it like that. So okay, so we go to the next indicator. This is it. For 10 cancel, leave it that way. You can see, I'm going to leave the screen here so you see the settings. for Cajun. Oh my god, okay, I didn't change that. So always please always make sure you fill here. Yeah, always click that for a fill. And then my pixels, just leave it 111 pixel. Vertical span 2 pixel. I like it that way. So for the colors, yeah, for the colors, because my background is black, I'm using the dark theme. I leave these two places at black. Yeah, I leave black there. And then yeah, um for up como, I leave, you can please make it green. I don't want to stress this, just make it green and red. And then for red for down como, yeah. And then for chico span, you can choose any color of your choice. I use purple, you know. And that's that. Once that is done, we're good. That is it for this video. We're going to catch multiple spikes with this strategy. Trust me, guys. I'm just going to catch some more. And I'll be done for the day. So yeah, that's it for this strategy, guys. It's very simple like that. I've been catching a lot of profit from it, catching a lot of spikes and making money from this. You too can make money. Trust me. Believe in yourself. Learn the strategy, follow it carefully, and follow the principles, and you'll be cashing out, guys. You'll be making a lot of profit. And cash out that money, guys. When you make profit, just take it and go chill, guys. Thank you. Subscribe to this channel, drop your comments, like this video, thumbs up. Thank you so much. I'll be back soon, guys.